Merk the Parts Clerk.
Actually, I'm the parts manager. Good afternoon. I'm Bill Merk, the parts clerk from Toyota of Tri-Cities. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a summer fun science experiment, making slime. Why is a parts guy talking about slime? Well, at Toyota of Tri-Cities, we use slime to clean dust out of the AC vent louvers in the dashboards of automobiles. And we thought it'd be fun to share how we make it. It's a very simple process. There's only a few ingredients. Boraxo soap, regular white glue from home, glitter, if you like glitter, and water, hot water. The recipe simply calls for 4 ounces of white glue. Now this is an 8-ounce bottle, so I've used half. So we're gonna go ahead and dump all of it in here. Dump being the word. Don't be gentle, don't be shy. Today I'm going to use Toyota Red. You can use as much or as little as you want. I'm going to use it all. Stir it up, get it mixed up. While that's sitting, take your water, put it in the microwave. Heat it for 1 minute. And remember safety, only use appliances with adult supervision and proper training. Things to remember when working with chemicals and ingredients is you may want to wear gloves if you have them. If you're going to use anything messy or caustic, you may want safety glasses. This is just household glue and soap, so its cleanup process is very simple. Water. Be careful when removing this from the microwave because it could be very hot. Enter your soap, pour in the water. You want to mix all the water in and let it mix up, but you only need to add enough water to the glue solution to create the gelled effect we're trying to achieve. So we're going to put a little in and start stirring and watch it turn from a sticky glue to yogurtish, and then it'll start thickening and thickening, and it becomes less adhesive. It won't stick to your skin as well. It's easily removed. Don't put too much water in. The idea is to get just enough to where it peels out of the bowl like our slime here. There you go, you can start seeing it to grab. Now comes the fun part. What do you think? Does mine look better than Emily's? No. But try it at home. It's very simple. 4 ounces of white glue, 5 milliliters of Boraxo soap, 250 milliliters of water. You don't have to have all the crazy experiment stuff. You can use your mom's best mixing bowls or your wife's best mixing bowls. But give it a try. Have a little fun and see how it turns out. So I'm back. Got my slime that we made. Let's show you what we use it for. It's a very sticky consistency, but we dab it in the louvers here and pull the dust out. There, we can go in closed paces, stuff where you can't get your little brushes. We can dab this in and it pulls right out in it. What little dust there is, it doesn't leave a big mess. No film, no nothing on the car. Just one of the things. Something to do with slime in a car. How fun is that?
Merk the Parts Clerk.